Hello everyone, welcome again to my channel. Today I want to share with you the projects that we will be making as a part of a workshop here in the Netherlands, and I just wanted to share with you how they will look like when they are all done and finished. This These brooches are like items that you can send off to a friend as a encouragement, to a loved one, just to someone special, or just to remind yourself that you are loved or you are special, and you want to have like special items on the brooches to share, like your favorite piece of a favorite dress or quilt or something that has been special for you through the years. And if you have the courage to snip off a piece and to share that sorry, then this is the time to use those. As I said, this is a project that was inspired by the fabric artist Karen Mitchell, and I put her a link down below because she has amazing projects. And this is the first one that I created. I used quite a few of layers and embroidery thread. I used metal and of course the safety pin there, and this is the inspiration of that. So by taking a peek at what other artists do, you have sort of a template for yourself to create and to start trying out new layers. So this is purely to teach yourself how to layer up items, how to check out the different prints, how to use fibers, how to use basically all the different materials to create something that is special. And as I said, this one is going to be part of the workshop that I'm hosting, and this is purely based on using of materials that you already have. So a durable project. We already created a case or cover for a journal, and this is going to be attached either on the cover or in the journal itself. So this is the first one that I did. Then I created this one using just the beautiful layers of laces, a beautiful like bohemian style chiffon there, very soft and delicate pieces. But also if you look at the all through, it's very like sort of a native looking a project with a wooden bead there. And this is the inspiration, and that's for that one. Then I created this one using some different embroidery types, but also crochet threads there. A beautiful piece on top, and then layering up again with jeans. I always use the jeans as a base, and then a piece of cotton or lace or whatever thing you have. But just inspired by this tag, I used these two layers, and this is how it looks beginning. And I just love how you can use the pieces that are your inspiration to create your own style as well. So that's for that. And then this one that was created by a friend of mine as well. We had a great day and just tried to do some creative stuff, and I just tagged her to create this one herself. And I said to her, it looks very simple in the beginning, but if you're working on it, it still is quite a challenge. So I'm very happy that she was wanting to go on that challenge herself and to create this one. That's that, and this is the original one. So as you can see, she did quite a good job. So let's select that. And then for the next one, this one I use some more fibers for some more layers, different structures, some laces there in the background. So this one has quite a few of elements there going on, but I just still quite love it. And this is the inspirational footage of that. Just love how you can do and create and craft using other elements or yeah, inspirational pieces. And this is the last one that I wanted to share with you. It's more of a blue and white and red colors, but also very beautiful. This is the safety pin there, and I just love that. And that's this, and this is the inspirational page of photo. So you can see also so many tactical and beautiful vintage pieces there, and this is my interpretation. So those are all the beautiful layouts of brooches that will be yeah, posted again on my channel. And as I said, this is totally inspired by Karen Michel, so thank you so much for that, for sharing your great ideas. And I hope the ladies will have a go at this as well, and they will have some fun. And I'll talk to you all soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.